Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and welcome to this new video here on Move or Movement Network. I think either Movement Network or Movement Labs. We'll just call it Movement. We'll just call it Move. But I wanted to make a video on this. I covered this twice before, back when it launched, kind of reviewing the project, and then also one analysis afterwards, I think. But wanted to cover it again today. Because, and unfortunately, the chart looked much more bullish when I was actually analyzing it, and when I actually thought, oh, I want to make a video on this. Because Move this morning was one of the strongest cryptos, all right? This morning we were still, after breaking this range we had between 68 cents and 60 cents, which, by the way, beautiful trade opportunity. You can see we actually broke the range early yesterday morning, got a beautiful retest here. And from there, even though the market circumstances were absolute shit, price went up 27%. So I'd say that's a great price action in these circumstances. The problem is that right now, yes, we are still on top of that previous range. So structurally, perhaps we are still bullish, but we have lost the uptrend, and this is a new listing, so it's bound to be volatile. But honestly, after getting a move like this, you can see the open interest. Like there was a lot of leverage coming in, right? So that's always a reason to be a little bit cautious. But now we have a big drop in leverage. There's no sign yet that we will actually regain that momentum. That also comes with leverage, and movement itself. I mean, yes, the volume is still going up, but right now the volume is going up while the price is falling. So that's not necessarily what you want to see. So I still think movement is interesting, and I still think that there will be opportunities here. But the thing is that at the moment, I would say it's unfortunately no longer bullish. As long as we're holding this level at 68 cents. It is also not bearish. So that's going to be the main question today, right? With all the bearish pressure in the markets right now, which is not amazing. With all that bearish pressure, like, is movement going to hold this level here at 68 cents? If the answer is yes, which at the moment looks most likely, because believe it or not, but the Bitcoin dominance actually seems to be going down slightly. But if movement is able to hold this level over the course of the day, for now, I think that's most likely, even though I would not trade that. Then I do think from this consolidation, we could break out and rally again up to 90 cents. So this is a possibility, but after the move we just had this morning, this is not something I would trade. Like I said, I would not trade, aka I would not speculate on this range holding while Bitcoin is falling like this. And I would also, like, the main thing to watch right now is can we break back above 78.5 cents? If the answer is yes, then that looks like a good trade, because then we actually have confirmation of some new momentum coming in and a technical breakthrough. At the moment, it's just too risky. So I think Move long term is interesting, has a very high percentage in circulation, and market cap at $1.6 billion. Yeah, might be a little bit high, but like I said, technically we look fine right now. But I wouldn't trade it unless we actually, see Bitcoin find some support and we see a bullish breakout above 78.5 cents. Until then, we'll consolidate and we can even drop back down to 60 cents here, if that bearish or if the Bitcoin dominance actually starts to move up again. Oh, it's actually still moving up a bit. Oh, weird. Yeah, all right, so those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.